This is the largest living shark species known to man, growing over 60 feet long. Some extremely large whale sharks have been reported to have mouths over 5 feet wide. Although rare, these massive sharks can injure divers who get too close. Whale sharks seem particularly attracted to the diver's bubbles or gear, causing these types of encounters. Imagine the largest shark in the world coming straight at you while you're diving in the ocean. Talk about helpless. Subscribe for free, like and share the video with your friends.